This is the 3-phase brushless DC motor demo using ZNEO. Here is the motor sitting on top of the demo case. The motor is wrapped in the bubble, and you see that it's a motor with a fan with connectors, and you see that the demo case has a handle and special locks. To open the case, you press here and on both sides, and what you do is you put your thumb here and you press in, and it will flip the lever up here. As you can see, we just do that down here. Then you open the case and you see the demo. You have a Zilog pad here and the F91 Ethernet module and the ZNEO motor control dev kit. This connector here is for connecting the motor. The motor is connected such that it's white, blue, and green in that order. If you forget, I put a little note here. This says white, blue, and green at the top of the case. So here you just take a screwdriver and you just screw that in. After you screw it in, it should look like this. And now you're ready to connect the power and turn on the case. It comes with a connector here. In the back of the case, you see the connection for the AC cable, and you plug it in. And then here, you see the switch for turning it on. When you turn on the case, you see the lights come on, as such. You see a blue light here, a red light there, power light here. See the data light is on the Ethernet. And we usually have the motor turned off. To turn on the motor, you just flip the switch here, and now you see the motor turning on. Okay, and you can see words written on there. Now, this switch is for direction, so we'll flip it the opposite way, and then you see that the motor is now turning the other way, and the words on the motor is reversed. This button here, actually it's not a button, it's a potentiometer, is to control the speed of the motor. If you turn it clockwise, it will speed up the motor, and counterclockwise to slow it down. And I'll show you. And you can hear the noise as the motor speeds up. And then if I turn it counterclockwise, it'll slow down. Okay, let's say I speed it up again. And let's say I go to directions and switch directions. See? You can hear it change. Switch it again. And if you want to turn it off, you could just stop it. Make sure that when you power down the demo that you always switch off the motor. So let's say you want to turn it off. It turns off. Turn it back on. I usually like to lower the speed and then turn off the motor. And when you're done with the demo, you want to turn off the power. So this concludes how to set up the brushless DC motor demo that uses the ZNEO dev kit and the F91 Ethernet kit.